Welcome back to data modeling question and answer session. What are the important types of relationships in a data model? There are two types of relationships. The first one is an identifying relationship and the second one is non-identifying relationship. In the coming slides, I'll explain what is identifying relationship and what is non-identifying relationship. In this diagram, you see two tables, vehicle and as well as vehicle owner. In vehicle table, vehicle ID is a primary key, and in vehicle owner, there are three primary keys: vehicle ID, vehicle owner ID, and as well as vehicle ownership start date. These two tables are designed in Irwin data modeling tool. As I said earlier, the columns above this line are called as primary keys and the columns below this line are called as non-primary keys. The same situation here also. Vehicle ID, vehicle owner ID and vehicle ownership start date are composite primary keys, and whereas these three columns, vehicle owner first name, last name and end date, are non-primary keys. What is scientific relationship? In a data model, parent tables and child tables are present. This is a parent table and this is a child table. Parent table and child table are connected by a relationship line. So these two tables are connected by a relationship line. If the referenced column in the child table, this is a referenced column, vehicle ID. So you can see vehicle ID here, and this vehicle ID goes to this vehicle owner table and vehicle ID is present here. If the reference column is the child table, this vehicle ID column is a part of the primary key in the child table. So we have to find it out whether it's a part of the primary key or not. Yes, vehicle ID is a part of the primary key here. If the reference column in the child table is a part of the primary key in the child table, the relationship is drawn by thick lines. Here you can see thick lines. It is not dotted line. By connecting these two tables, which is called as identifying relationship. So what is non-identifying relationship? Here you can see vehicle manufacturer ID, and this vehicle manufacturer ID goes to this table as a foreign key, and this vehicle manufacturer ID is not a part of the primary key. And here the relationship is a dotted line instead of a thick line, and that is why it is called as non-identifying relationship. What is non-identifying relationship? Usually in a data model, parent tables and child tables are present. Parent table and child table are connected by relationship line. This is a relationship line. Here the parent table is vehicle manufacturer lookup and the child table is vehicle lookup. If the reference column, the child table, is not a part of the primary key. So what is the reference column here? Vehicle manufacturer ID. If it is not a part of the primary key, that is correct. And standalone column, the child table. This is a standalone column, the child table. Relationship is drawn by dotted lines by connecting these two tables, which is called as non-identifying relationship.